All right, everybody. Today we are going to do a really quick video on how to do cabinet hardware. I've got some cabinet hardware that I've ordered on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's $25 for there's 25 of them. It's not going to break the bank. I think they're like $1 and something each. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, you're going to need a drill, okay, with a penetrating grip or bit. And you're going to need a template like this. There's two different templates. This one is for the cabinets that go up and down. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to put a piece of drywall tape right over it, and you're just going to poke the hole that you're going to use so that you know every time, so that it's all at the same height. I'm just doing the basics. This is really easy stuff. And you just, you can drill right through this. Just make sure it's snug every time, right? And then for this one, you just change it. You flip the side, you see, and you're still using the same hole. And every time it'll be the same location. And that's really all there is to it. So I'll go ahead and drill the holes. If you're worried about it flaking here at the end, you can put a piece of blue drywall tape right here, and that'll just kind of prevent the drill bit from flaking it off. But let's go ahead and start. Okay, as you can see here, I have my pilot holes drilled. They're all at the same height, and everything's going to look real clean and flush. And I use the smaller drill bit just for the pilot hole, and then I'll come back through with this so that I can use this or fit these through, right? So you can see kind of pops out a little bit, but it's still going to be pretty clean. It just won't fit because it's only a pilot hole, but that only took what, three minutes to do all 4 of those pilot holes. Yep. And so once you have those pilot holes in place, the next drill bit up that's going to fit this takes literally took me 30 seconds to do all these holes. That's how fast it'll take you. So you just put it through there, and then you come over here and you put this right there. Oh, I'm not even filming it. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for that, but because I'm going to require 2 hands to do that, you'll see. And I'll go ahead and put all 4 of these together, and that'll be that. Now what I do for cleanup is I just take this little hand vacuum and clean everything up. So I wanted to show you this one for the drawers. This is the other tool that you'll get. You just place it like this, and you just center it, obviously, and you can see that I have already put all the hardware on. So there's 2 different tools. This one's for the drawer. The other one that I showed you earlier is for the cabinets. Pretty easy, guys.